So audience, you can see here are our super talented girls, and they are really super talented, good learner and good speaker, and they are here for one group discussion, and they will do here one group discussion. So you can see here are Brunali, Nidhi, Riddhi, Shraddha, Bhumi, Pragati, Sejal and Chandana. And now they will do here one group discussion. But I would like to tell one thing that if you want to improve your English like our students or more than that, then you must join our English speaking course. म्हणजे तुम्हाला तुमचं इंग्लिश इम्प्रूव्ह करायचं असेल आमच्या विद्यार्थ्यांसारखं किंवा त्यांच्या त्याहीपेक्षा जास्त, तर नक्कीच तुम्ही आमचा कोर्स जॉईन करा. तुम्हाला आमच्या कोर्सची इन्फॉर्मेशन या व्हिडिओच्या डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्समध्ये मिळेल. तुम्ही कोणत्याही पद्धतीने जॉईन करू शकता. यू कॅन जॉईन एनीवे, ऑनलाईन अँड ऑफलाईन ऑल्सो. ओके. So and you must watch this video till the end, and you comment also whose performance was best and who has talked well. Okay, so listen students, now you have to talk about India, means our country versus foreign country, means western country. Okay, what your debate point is about India, our country, about our country versus western country or foreign country. Understood? So you have to talk about their festival, food, living style, their tradition, their education, everything you should be taught. Got it? Understood? You don't fear about your mistakes, just talk confidently. Got it? Here group discussion. So you have to take objection on each other. Got it? You have to cover all the point. Okay? Start now. Yes, okay. Start your point. So first you tell me your on which side would you like to talk, Chandana?
Western culture.
So all your Western culture. Okay, obviously your Indian culture. Do you want change or are you okay? Are you happy? Yes. Okay, start. Confidently, yeah? I want confidence from you.
Western culture can be referred to as advanced culture because they have so many technologies are there.
Very good, excellent. Yes. Yes. Mike.
In India, all festivals celebrate luxurious
Yes.
and all people एकत्र येतात,
Come together.
come together.
Yes, okay. Means she's talking about in India, everyone celebrate festival. Means they know about the behind of this history. Behind of every festivals, they know about the history, and they know about why we are celebrating this festival, and also they give this information to their children. Okay, am I right?
Western people live luxurious life and living fully satisfied life.
India culture is relates of rules, religions, and etc. In India culture, most of the families are joined, so they celebrate festivals happily.
In Western have separate family, so they have more freedom as compared to India.
Freedom. They can take their own decision, no?
They can take own decisions.
Mike, keep talking.
Indian people work farm, they fit and fine.
That's why they fit in.
That's
In Western culture, in family they don't give pressurize about making decision.
They can, means in Western culture, they can take their own decision. Okay, their family, their parents do not pressure.
Most of people come in India to see historical places. So that's why government are gets profit.
Talk loudly.
In Western culture, we have more freedom.
Yes, she covered that.
In India, medicine time use Ayurveda, yoga.
Yes. So yes, means in India, what happened? Indian believe on Ayurvedic medicine, so it get good effect and it's not side effect as compared to the allopathy. Means in mostly Western, they are using allopathy. Yes.
Another countries another countries come in foreign country and and take treatment our disease.
Or disease. Okay, means you're talking about in foreign country. There are so many advanced medical system. So many people go to there and take treatment. Yes. Okay.
Most of Western people eat fast food, but Indian people always eat home
Homemade food. Homemade food.
homemade food.
Yeah, it's natural, and it's healthy. It's not side effect. Yeah, we can eat anytime. We can cook in our home also. But nowadays, about nowadays, our Indian are also fashionable to this fast food. Yes, that pizza, burger, donuts, and whatever. Yes.
In India culture, give respect to parents or elders. So students are grateful.
Yes, and they follow all their parents' advice. Yes, and it's beneficial to their life.
Western culture peoples are maintain their body and because they are fit and healthy.
What repeat that? I didn't understand.
Western people Western people maintain their body fit because and that wise they are healthy.
I'm objection this point because nowadays India's every people follow fitness. Peoples are going gym. India culture give
In India.
in India peoples are doing yoga and meditation, so they are mentally healthy.
Healthy, yes. Mentally health is very
In Indian school are full day. The children good education and
great.
get good education and general knowledge.
Great general knowledge.
Get general knowledge.
Means you're talking about in India, student busy in their school. Okay, and that's why they are in study atmosphere. Okay, so they can't go to bad tracks. Means because of full day they are in good nature.
Western childs go to luxurious schools and they get good education.
Indian peoples are live joint families, so they share the problems
With their
with their family.
they get good solutions. Yes, means they are living in joint family. That's why if any problem is there, then they get good solution.
Western school teachers teach their students good manners and good things.
India also. Yes, going on, Babu.
Western people good behavior, so they don't throw their waste material outside the road, but Indian people throw their waste material in the road.
Yes, on the road. They are throwing, no? Yes, discipline. Yeah, in Western culture, Western people maintain discipline.
In India, uh, uh, almost see here their farmer. Uh, Here their farmer.
That's why you hear.
That's why no need to people go to gym.
Automatically, they get exercise. Automatically,
Automatically they get exercise.
uh, Western people half time of the day they work, and half time of the day they enjoy their life with their family.
In India, many festivals are celebrated. Before the festival, before the मागे म्हणजे काय? म्हणजे सणामागे एखादी गोष्ट असते.
behind of festival.
Okay. In India, there are many festivals are celebrated. Behind the festivals, there are many historical stories. So that story motivated the peoples of India, and they help to give big exams like UPSC, JEE, NEET, etc.
Excellent. Shifu.
but most of the people come to Western and study advanced.
Study advance. Yeah.
Um,
Mic keep proper and
yes, I'm a.
yes, I agree.
Yes, I'm a agree, but UPSC and JEE are big exams. They are clear is a many hard, but Indian students are very hard working. They cleared that exam very happily.
Western peoples are take own decisions about job, about career, education,
About the marriage.
about marriage.
I'm objection this point because nowadays parents agree with that their point. They help them when they're wrong. They are not agree, but most of the time they agree with them.
Yes. She's talking about when parents are agree, no, then means when parents are support to us, then we get confidence, and parents are thinking for us to good only. Parents are always think about us for our good future plan, about our good health, good education, about our good future.
Western people Western people give time to our family, and they celebrate it and enjoy the holidays.
Holidays, yeah, it's good point. It's talking about they get enjoyment to every moment. If they have holiday, then they go to outside for wander, for travel, for long journey. Yes, no, as compared to the Indian.
In India, their peoples are going. People are going to long journey. Mm, for example,
Place.
holy place,
Pandarpur.
Pandharpur, because their mind satisfaction.
In India, there are most of a joint family, so they are playing with each other. The happiness you get with family that not get you any other place.
Yeah, yes. Very good. So you'll take.
Western people wear fashionable clothes.
They have freedom.
They have freedom.
Yes, we talk about.
In India, making good yummy food. So Western peoples they like most this food.
And they are fan of this food.
Yes,
Still, they are fan of this food.
and they are fan of this food.
Western people go to gym and they maintain our body and they feel fit and fine.
Yes.
In India, Konkan area, they are natural.
There are
There are
treats.
natural trees, coconut, mango, jackfruit. They eat and fresh, healthy food and fresh.
The lifestyle of India people is very simple and common. In India, most of the person are a farmer, so they earn a few money and celebrated and
Joyfully.
celebrated joyfully.
Yes, and Indian culture, no, we are living in simple costume. So it's also there are big history behind of this costume. Am I right? Yes, it take a long time to explain it. Yes.
Western people going with our family to enjoy the holidays, and they experience
And take
and they takes they take experience to good atmosphere.
Our India country is a unity, is a diversity. So in our India, there are different types of peoples are living with their language and language and their food. But different language and food, they are live with happily. Uh, each other festivals they are celebrate with happily. Uh, they
they
give
go to each other's home.
they go to each other homes. They behave with each other very goodly.
In Western city, so many machines are there, so their work are fast, and they save their time.
They utilize this time to other works.
In India, all countries people uh, come to tourism, and they like to Indian culture.
Yes, yes. And sometimes I have seen so many times some Western people come here and they wear saris also. They eat food. They attend our temples program. Yes. And we talk about kings.
In Western people wear shorts. They are comfortable with them, but
Wear shorts.
uh, and they represent their Western culture. But Indian people nowadays copy their outfit.
I'm a objection this point because nowadays foreigner are wearing sari or other clothes like Navwari sari. So this is a fashion of nowadays, and this is not called
Old fashioned.
old fashion.
She's talking about they are wearing, yes, nowadays young generations are coffee towards it. uh, our responsibility is that we should teach to them what are the history, what are the advantages behind our Indian costumes. Yes.
Nowadays the India's growth speed is very, and nowadays we are know ISRO is going on the moon. So the ISRO, like the science and technology of the India, is very good, and in the world the second number of technology in our India. So proud of us in, so we are proud of this. And nowadays our artificial intelligence in this time. So peoples in India, and there are most of the people are using robots or other machines, save their time with money. So their hard work is less, and their earning sources are very.
In future they can earn very well.
In India, in Konkan area, most people say,
Say
people say heaven of India
because
because there are most of temples of God. So that's why their Konkan are very famous.
In India very cleaning. So if you are not assure lake, so not give your entry. They are in India take care of in environment and ecosystem. So they
they agree.
so they agree trees to her friend, and
Increase
and increases to trees uh, like her
children.
children's.
West, Western people give importance to our time, though they don't interfere to any other lives, and they busy our work.
Busy their
In Western peoples are always in busy in your work, but Indian peoples are give time to their childs.
children.
In India, sorry, Indian peoples are make homemade things, and that's why they save the money. And these things are with
Say
their things of sale. But Western peoples are
they earn money, no?
they earn money, but Western peoples are buy the ready-made things.
Western cities Western cities are clean, and must follow the discipline. But Indian people's Indian cities is very काय म्हणणार Indians people's
They don't take care about their country, about their country.
Indian people don't take care about our country, and 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 don't काय ते discipline पाळत नाही. And they don't follow the discipline.
Yes, we should maintain this our cleanliness, no? Yes, if you see about the western road, no, it's very clean. But in our here, so many dusts are there.
Indians are intelligent and skillfully, so most of the foreigner countries are demand him.
Demand them.
Yes. In India, peoples are believe only two things: one, God, and two is on her hard working. So they are very physically fit, and they are a very good person.
People, yeah, people. Yes, they will talk something.
In Indian peoples are make spices of म्हणजे
Spices, yeah, different types of spices, and they sell out of country.
Indian peoples are make most of spices and they selling these spices, and Western people are most of like these spices.
Western people first priority is our family, and second priority to their work.
Kind.
Indians are very kind, so they are donate their blood or other money to poor person.
Yes, and if they see someone on the road, then they suddenly help to them.
Yes.
Bhumi will talk. Bhumi. संतांची भूमी म्हणजे सेंट लँड. सेंट म्हणजे संत, लँड म्हणजे
In India, in Maharashtra, people are say lands,
सेंट लँड.
saints lands, and because in Maharashtra most of saints were there, most many saints.
In India, the stealing is less because the peoples are scared to black magic, and when they are children, then their parents give her good manners, so they are scared to stealing. And in India, the commit is very less.
Commit.
Commit.
Crime.
In India, crime is very less.
Talk about the Western people live practically. Bhumi is not भूमीकडे माहिती आहे.
Western peoples are living practically
They take practical decision.
and they take practical decision.
In our India, there are a very rich men like Sir Ratan Tata or Sir Ambani. So we could not tell our India poor.
Yes.
Yes.
Finish. Okay, I know you have to now also you will talk more and you want to tell something, but okay, finish for your one more we will take next session, one video session. Okay, so really you have cover here all points. Okay, I really appreciate to hear Nidhi. Nidhi has completed here just some days, and then also she covered many points. Okay, and she talked well. I really appreciate to you, and well done. I really appreciate. Okay, and thank you also that you have participated in this video session, and thanks to all also. Okay, so I really appreciate to you. You have performed here well. okay, and you have given your 100% your dedication, okay, and also you present here one more new video session, group discussion, okay. I will give you chance, okay, but now you stop. So audience, if you like this group discussion, then do like, share and subscribe, and you must comment also who has talked well and which point did you like it, and if they tell some odd point, then you forgive them because they are beginner years and they are learning here, and we will meet with new video. Now see you again, bye.